Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 6 chapter number 7, that is decimals. So, let's continue with the chapter. Now we are going to see the conversion of decimal fractions to fractions. That means हमें decimal fraction given होगा and हमें उसे fraction में convert करना है. Let's see how we are going to do. For an example, we have to convert 5.01 into fraction. हमें decimals में given है, हमें fraction में convert करना है. Let's see how we are going to do. To convert a decimal fraction into a fraction, follow the steps given below. That means हमें कुछ steps है वो follow करने पड़ेंगे. Let's see what is it. Step 1 is count the number of decimal places in the decimal fractions. That means first हमें decimal places count करने पड़ेंगे कितने decimal places हैं. Decimal fraction हमें क्या given है 5.01. इसके अंदर decimal places कितनी है, that is 0 and 1. So we have two decimal places, that is 0 and 1. Step 2 is ignore the decimal point. अब हमें decimal point ignore करना है and write all the digits as the numerator of the fraction. Decimal point छोड़ना है, वो ignore करना है and 501 हमें as it is लिखना है. Step 3 is write as many zeros after 1 in the denominator as there were in the decimal places in the decimal fractions. That means हमारे पास 2 decimal places थे, so denominator में we are going to write 2 zeros. अगर हमारे पास 3 decimal places होते तो हम denominator के अंदर 1 with 3 zeros, that is 1000 लिखते, right? Step 4 is reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Fourth is हमें fraction को simplest form में reduce करना है. That means first decimal place को ignore करें के 501 हमारा आ जाएगा numerator and हमारे पास 2 decimal places थी, that means 1 with 2 zeros we are going to write in denominator. So हमारे पास fraction क्या आ गई 501 divided by 100. As we can see 501 and 100 is in the lowest form but ये improper fraction में है. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide 100 and 501 and 100 5 times is 500. So our remainder will be 1. So we are going to write a cycle 5 1 by 100 will be our mixed fraction. This is how we are going to convert. Next है इसका opposite, conversion of fractions to decimals. That means अब हम fraction को convert करेंगे decimals में. Let's see how we are going to do. Case 1, we have two cases in this. First we are going to discuss the case 1 जहाँ पे denominator हमारा 10, 100, 1000 है. Step 1 is count the number of zeros in the denominator after 1. That means denominator में 1 के बाद कितनी zeros है. For an example, we have to convert 179 by 10 into decimal fractions, right? 1 के बाद हमारे पास कितनी zeros है, that is 1. So the number of zeros in the denominator after 1 is 1. Okay. Step 2 is in the numerator start from the extreme right. Do remember this, हमें extreme right से start करना है and move the decimal point to the left by the number obtained in step 1. Step 1 में हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर आया 1. So we are going to start from the extreme right और हम insert करेंगे decimal point after 1 digit to the left in the denominator. So one jump will be here. So it will be 17.9. Now we are going to discuss the case 2. Case 2 means जहाँ पे denominator can be converted to 10, 100 and 1000. That means 10, 100, 1000 हमारा denominator नहीं है but हमें उसे convert करना पड़ेगा. Let's see how we are going to convert. Let's take an example. हमें 17 by 50 को convert करना है decimal fraction में. Okay. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 to convert the denominator 50 into 100. That means हमारे पास denominator में क्या है 50. 50 को हम easily 100 में convert कर सकते हैं because 50 2 times is 100. So what we are going to do, हम जैसे equivalent fraction निकालते थे 50 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 100 आ जाए, दैट मीन्स 2 से. सो 2 वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड द न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो. सो 17 2 टाइम्स इज 34 एंड 50 2 टाइम्स इज 100. सो 34 बाय 100 इज आर फ्रैक्शन. अब जैसे हमने लास्ट केस 1 में करा था वैसे ही करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ जीरोज इन डिनोमिनेटर आफ्टर 1 कितनी है, नंबर ऑफ जीरोज इज 2. So we have to insert the decimal point to the left in the numerator after 2 places, that is 34/100 है, हम एक्सट्रीम राइट से स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 and 2, दैट मीन्स पॉइंट आ जाएगा हमारा यहाँ पे, सो इट विल बी 0.34 एंड it's better to write 0.34 as we have discussed in our previous videos. So 17/50 can be written as 0.34 in the decimal fractions. Okay, so next we are starting with exercise 7c. Question number 1 says that convert the following decimals into fractions. That means हमें decimals given होंगे and we need to convert that into fractions. So let's see how we are going to do. B part is 1.8. See how we are going to convert 1.8. First again we are going to write without decimals as it is, and now we will count after decimal कितनी places है हमारे पास, that is 1. So we are going to write 1 with 1 0, that is 10, and अब हम इसे lowest form में convert करेंगे, that is दोनों में क्या कॉमन है 2. So we are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 and we will get 9/5. And now we can see 9/5 is in the improper fraction, that means it needs to be converted into mixed fraction, so it will be 1/4/5. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part, that is 1.66. Again we are going to write 166 as it is without decimal. Now decimal के बाद हमारे पास कितने decimal places है 2, that means we are going to write 1 with 2 zeros, that is 166/100. Now we are going to convert it into lowest form, that means 2 से divide कर देंगे numerator and denominator में, it will be 83/50, and this is again in the improper fraction, so we need to convert it into mixed fraction and it will be 133/50. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see F part. F part is 0.125. Again 125 लिखेंगे और you can write 0125 also. Now in the fraction हमारे पास decimal के बाद कितने decimal places है 1 2 and 3, so 1 with 3 zeros. Now we are again going to convert it into lowest form, so it will be 1/8. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part, that is 3.784. Again 3784 as it is, and now decimal के बाद कितनी places हैं 1 2 3, so 1 with 3 zeros, so we got 3784 divided by 1000. So now we are going to convert it into lowest fraction and it will be 473/125, and it is in the improper fraction, so we need to convert it into the mixed fraction, so it will be 398/125. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part, that is I part. Again हम 0036 लिखें या 36 लिखे, बात एक ही है. Now after decimal how many places we have 1 2 and 3, so we are going to write 3 zeros, so it will be 36 divided by 1000, and when converted to lowest form it will be 9/250. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Let's see question number 2, that is convert the following into decimal fractions. Now अब हमें fractions को decimals में convert करना है, right? Let's see how we are going to do. First is 253 divided by 10. That means we are going to write 253 as it is, and हम right side से शुरू करेंगे. right side के बाद एक place के बाद decimal आ जाएगा, that means 25.3. Because we have 1 0, इसलिए right side से 1 place के बाद हमारे पास decimal आ जाएगा. Let's see one more part, that is 1040 divided by 100. Again we are going to write the numerator as it is, 1040 as it is. Now अब हमारे पास 2 zeros है, that means 2 places के बाद हमारे पास decimal point आएगा. So how it will be, that is 1 2, so 2 decimal places, that is 10.40, or we can also write it as 10.4. Let's see one more part, that is F part, that is 3 divided by 100. So we need 2 decimal places after 0, so we have 3 and extreme right से start करेंगे 1 2, दैट मीन्स पॉइंट आएगा हमारा यहाँ पे. सो वी हैव 2 places vacant एंड जो हमारी vacant places रह जाएगी वी आर गोइंग टू पुट 0 ओवर देयर. सो इट विल बी 0.03. Let's see h part. H part is 7749 divided by 1000. So 7749 as it is. Now 1000, that means 3 places के बाद we need to put decimal. So we'll start from the extreme right and it will be 1, 2 and 3 के बाद point. So it will be 7.749. I hope this is clear to you. J part is 37 by 1000. So it will be 37 by 1000. That means we have 3 places, right? So we'll start with the extreme right, 1, 2 and 3. That means यहाँ पे आएगा point and then we have nothing. Again we are going to fill the vacant places with 0 and the answer will be 0.037. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Your home task is you have to do exercise 7C, question 1 and 2 remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, stay connected, take care, stay blessed and thank you so much.